Welcome to the beautiful Disneyland Hotel in Paris. My name is Taylor with The Vacationeer, and today I have a special treat for you. We're exploring a Castle Club room category and going over all the details to give you a complete look at what this amazing 5-star hotel has to offer. Before booking, remember to contact The Vacationeer for exclusive rates, insider knowledge like how to get tickets included with your stay, and concierge services that you won't find anywhere else. Reach out today to secure the best value on your next Disney vacation. Now, without further ado, let's jump right in and tour the room. Stepping up to the Castle Club represents the pinnacle of the Disneyland Hotel experience, beginning with the signature service of your Vacationeer advisor to curate every high-end detail of your stay. Upon arrival, you'll bypass the standard lobby entirely for a private check-in on the 3rd floor where the atmosphere shifts to one of total exclusivity. These rooms are centrally located in the heart of the hotel, offering the most direct access to the private elevator that whisks you straight down to the Disneyland Park entrance. The heart of this category is the Castle Club Lounge, where you'll enjoy gourmet buffet breakfast in the company of Disney characters, a signature daily tea time, and an open bar for soft drinks throughout the day. With a dedicated 24/7 concierge team, it's quite simply the most upgraded and exclusive way to experience Disneyland Paris. And the rooms in this category have the best views, either facing out to the Fantasia Gardens or directly at the castle. As you enter, the master lighting control is right at your fingertips with daylight and nighttime presets. On the opposite side, you'll find a full wall of storage featuring open hanging space and shelving. You'll also find a dedicated closet for full-length items, home to your plush robes, slippers, and thoughtful extras like a lint roller and a shoehorn. The room safe and additional drawer storage are tucked just below, with a large full-length mirror just around the corner, perfectly positioned for getting ready. Inside the bathroom, the double vanity features a large mirror with a magnifying mirror on one side, and you'll also have upgraded bath products and a curated amenity kit for those smaller essentials. You'll find the hairdryer on the open shelving down below, and all double bed categories feature a shower tub combo with a rainfall shower head, handheld wand, and daily refilled bath amenities. A heated towel rack rounds out the space, with the toilet conveniently tucked away in its own private room. Moving into the bedroom, these 2 queen-size beds feature upgraded linens and honestly some of the comfiest we've experienced on our whole trip. Both sides are flanked by outlets including USB ports and controls for the wall lamps, reading lights, and master settings. The floating nightstands offer drawers for small items, while the benches at the foot of the bed and the ample space underneath provide plenty of room to tuck away luggage. Across from the beds, a large sofa sits beneath a flat panel smart TV, which is elegantly hidden behind mirrored glass. In the corner, the writing desk doubles as a vanity and serves as a tech hub with HDMI that hooks up to the TV, USB, 4 European plugs, and 1 UK plug. Next to the desk is even more storage topped with my favorite feature, the Lavazza coffee maker. Refreshed daily with your preferred flavors, you'll also find a kettle for tea and hot chocolate for the kiddos and young at heart. For cold options, the mini fridge is restocked daily with water, juice, and a selection of snacks like trail mix and nuts. I also want to highlight that select rooms in this category offer connecting capabilities, a fantastic option for larger families or groups. It's the perfect way to double your square footage and create a massive shared royal residence for everyone to enjoy. And as I mentioned earlier in this video, these room categories can face either the beautiful Fantasia Gardens that are in front of the hotel or directly at the castle itself. We were lucky enough to get one of the best views on property, which was this gorgeous view facing the castle. Beyond your accommodations, the Disneyland Hotel invites you to live out your own fairy tale. The true luxury of the Disneyland Hotel is its location. It serves as the gateway to Disneyland Park. You are quite literally just steps away from the turnstiles, meaning you can transition from your breakfast table to Main Street, USA in mere minutes. For families, this proximity is a game changer. It offers the freedom to easily pop back to the room for a midday nap, a quick outfit change, or a quiet break away from the crowds, all without missing a beat of the magic. Located inside the hotel is delicious gourmet French cuisine at La Table des Lumières, or you can feast like royalty at the Royal Banquet. You can unwind with a signature cocktail at the Fleur de Lis bar, take a refreshing dip in the sun-drenched crystal pool, or stroll through the serene Fantasia Gardens. And for the youngest guests, the Royal Kids Club offers magical storytelling and private character encounters that they'll never forget. Ready for the grand tour? Dive into our full resort guide or check out the videos touring the other room and suite categories on our channel for an inside look at every enchanted corner of this 5-star masterpiece. And to make the most of your Disneyland Paris vacation, reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link down below to get started. We handle every detail of the planning so you can just simply sit back, relax, and soak up every bit of the Disney magic. This is Taylor from the Vacationeer, and if this tour helped you envision your next royal getaway, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it with all your Disney friends.